Hi guys, so today what I'm going to be showing you is my slime collection. So I only have 5 slimes. I'm going to show you. So the first one is this slime, and all of these slimes are for sale. This is the first slime. It's a cloud cream one. And all of the prices will be in the description. Oh, it's a little bit sticky, but I'm just going to activate it. I'll be back when it's activated. Okay, so I'm back from activating it. It still needs just a little bit more kneading. It's just sticky because I just made this, and yeah, still needs time to sit in it so it's not that stretchy. And it's like got its stuff fully out, but it's still up for sale. So the next slime that we have is, let's see, this slime. And not all of these slimes are for sale because some of these slimes are really disgusting. So just a heads up, that's why I keep it there, just to remind myself that that's a fail. But I'm gonna throw them away. If you want them, just comment down below and I'll be giving them away for free. This one's a nice one. It's a nice slime. No beads fall out, so that's... Did I just... Okay, so I'm lying to you guys. Beads do fall out. They do fall out. If you just saw that. And again. So yeah. The next... All of the prices will be in the description, guys. So yeah. The next slime that we have is this butter slime. It's a very clicky one, and it's a very soft one, and it's like kind of thick, but kind of not thick. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? So yeah, this is gonna be just not a. It's actually gonna be the same price, but just a little bit lower. Clicky, it's so clicky and so crunchy. This is my favourite, and it's just so like soft to click, and yeah. So the last two is these two right here, and these are the disgusting ones that I'm not going to be selling at all. So yeah, actually yeah, I'm going to be selling one because that one's not as disgusting, but I just need to fix it because like it's hard. So one is the hardest ever, but I can fix it. It's a chocolate ice cream one. It's those chocolate cookies, ice cream. And this one's just a very hard one. So yeah, I'm just gonna be fixing that. But yeah. This one I do not ever. This was like, it's not slime, like, I'll show you something. So here it is. Can't pull it apart, and if you pull it, it just gets disgusting. So I might be able to, actually yeah, I just ripped it, but it looks like shaved ham. You can't poke it at all. If you poke it, yeah. And when I got this, it was called Unicorn Noise Putty. It did not make noise at all. Or, well, it made that noise, but like, yeah. And there was this weird thing on it, and it was like a bracelet kind of. But yeah, it was just so disgusting, and once you break it, you can never put it back together, so I do not recommend. So this is a container. That is what it looks like. So yeah, I just recommend never ever to buy this. So yeah, hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so every time I make a video you can watch it. Yeah, I'll probably do a squishy one after this, like a squishy collection. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.